Bryan's Thailand. Today I'm here with Pi and we're doing a fishing video. Right, this is actually a new lake in East Pattaya, and I'll give you the directions how to get here. It's on a, I'll show you, it's on a two rise over 3,000 square meters of lake with quite a numerous of fish: arapaima, pacu, red tails, Siamese carp. There's quite a few. I'll actually put a list up of the amount of fish and the type of fish that's in this lake. We used to have the Wasana fishing park up near the motorway, and now he's moved to this location, which is a much better location. As you can see over there, one of the arapaima is just top there. There's about 6 of them in here, and Pi just loves fishing. So let's see how we get on. Need to get this other line out of the way. You get this line, Oh, so it bit it now. Bit its tail off. Oh.
Look at that.
Get his head up. That's it.
Let me walk my foot.
There we go, my first. That's some size, isn't it? It's got some power in it.
Power in the, oh god, just a bit.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day.
Okay guys, so far it's been absolutely fantastic. We came about 2 p.m. and it's just gone 4 now, so within 2 hours we've done a fair bit fishing. So I've got 2 and Pi got about 7. Lucky girl. So I'll put all the details up. They have a Facebook page, so if anyone wants to book in and come along, by all means. Then that's in Thailand now. If you're looking for something to do and you enjoy fishing, definitely come down. It's absolutely fantastic. Some great species of fish. So I will put up on here like the amount of fish that he has in, this type of fish he has in, the weights and things like that. So and then that's when you do eventually come to Thailand and you're looking to go fishing, definitely come here. He sets up with the rods, reels, the food, the baits, everything, you know. So and he does some tuition if you're not too sure what type of setup they're doing. They know all what they're doing here, so definitely worth it. So I'll sign off for now, and it's goodbye from me, and it's
Goodbye from him. Good in it.
so there you go. Okay, bye for now guys, take care.